How to follow someone on Pinterest mobile app. So let's start. Guys, it's pretty easy, so I'm gonna straightforward. Open the app. And if you, I don't know, like this outfit, click on it. And here there is a person or company who pinned this post. So you can follow them. If you click here, just click on follow and that's it. If you're gonna do it, if you wanna watch some videos, all right, click watch, swipe, okay. And I don't know, I like this. There is a creator and you can easily follow them by clicking this follow, and that's it. And this is how can you follow someone on Pinterest. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you wanna support this channel, subscribe the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.